Good morning. Myself Prahlad Badkar. I have taken an example related to balancing three masses of 9 kg, 13 kg and 16 kg attached at a radial distance of 80 mm, 100 mm and 60 mm respectively to a disc on a shaft are in complete balance. Determine the angular position of the masses 13 kg and 16 kg relative to 9 kg mass. Okay, in this case, what the given things is they are given as a three masses. That is a mass M1 and they are given as I will take it as a 9 kg as a M1, M2 as a 13 kg, M3 as a 16 kg. They are given as a three masses. At the same time, they are given as a radial distance from the shaft, that is also 80 mm, 100 mm, 60 mm. The things as one more thing, that is what the things they are given as shaft are complete balance. What is the meaning of this one? The shaft are complete balance means it is not necessary to find the counter mass. Okay, it is not necessary because system is, that is already says that is a system is a balance. Okay, then you have to find the angular position. Okay, you have to find the angular position of the theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. You have to find it. Okay, then one thing you have to find the difference. This is an example related to static balancing. Why you have to say that is a static balancing? Because in static balancing, that is a single plane. They are given as a single plane. Okay, single plane. At the same time, I have taken as a side view here. M1 on the single plane or disc. They are given as a disc here. All the three masses are M1, M2, M3 are a single plane at the distance of R1, R2, R3. Okay, but they are not given any related to distance between the two planes because this is a single plane means you have to consider the static balancing only. When it is a dynamic balancing, you have to consider it. In that case, we will find the more than one disc or more than one rotor. That is a, if you consider this is a, I have taken as a three rotor means three disc means you have to consider this is a one plane, two plane, three plane. At the same time, we will find the distance between the plane also, that is a L1, L2, L3 will be there. In that case, when it is a dynamic balancing, you have to balance the centrifugal force also, at the same time couple also. But this is an example related to static balancing. Why you have to call it as a static balancing? One is they are not given any distance as a L, they are not given as any L, and they are not given as a related to another disc also, rotor also. That's why you have to go for the static balancing. What the things you have to find it? You have to find the theta 2, theta 3. I will go for that only. First you have to take the scale. Okay, I will take as a scale as a, you have to give multiply this one M1 R1 that comes as a 720 mm, M2 R2 that is comes as a 1300, M3 R3 it comes as a 960. This is a nothing but a MR product. Okay, omega is not given anything related to omega, that is the speed of the, that is omega is there and not given anything related to omega, that becomes a constant. It eliminate that one, only it comes as a MR product. For this MR product means you have to go for the force polygon, you have to determine the, you have to go for the, you have to draw the force polygon and you have to find the angles that is a related to theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. But first case I will take it as a, this is a plane one, that is a first case I will take it as a 720 as a 0 degree. I will assume that one, that is a, what the things I will take it as a 0 degree. Okay, I have taken as a 7, that is a centimeter means it comes as a 7.2 centimeter. I will take it as a 7.2 centimeter. Okay, with respect to what 7.2 means, that is a theta is 0. I have taken as 7.2. You draw the 7.2 here. This comes as a 720 or M1 R1, that is a theta 1 becomes 0. I have taken as this one. Then remaining 2, that is a M2 R2, M3 R3, this product. For this I will take it as a M2 R3. I will take it as a 13 centimeter. Okay, you take it as a 13 centimeter with a compass. Okay, I have taken as a 13 centimeter. Then you have to draw the arc. I have taken as an arc here. Okay, then one more thing, that is the M3R3, it comes as a 960. You have to take it as a 9.6 centimeter. I have taken as a 9.6 centimeter here. Look at this one. You have to take it as a scale with a 9.6 centimeter, and you have to take a one more place here. You have to join it. Then you have to join the things. I'll take this one. We join it and you complete it. This is a one possibility. This is theta 1, this comes as a theta 2. You measure it, how much angle, you measure it and it will get it this also. One more thing, here also with respect to this it comes as a theta 3. Okay, this is the one possible. We can draw in this way also. 13 centimeter, it can come this way also. It may be here also it comes. That is a 9 centimeter means it, you have to draw here also 9.6 centimeter, and 13 centimeter also. You draw this also 13 centimeter. You scale it, you make it as a 13 centimeter and you complete also. This is also one possibility. This is, first I will complete the 9 centimeter. This is a 9 point something, 9.2. Here also that is a 9.2. Okay, you can join this also. Okay, this is also one possibility. We can get a 4. This is also. Then this is a taken as a theta 1. This is also go for the theta 2. Otherwise this is, we can say that is a theta 2. Okay, and you have to draw this also theta 3. We can draw here also one more thing. This is 13 centimeter. If you are taking as a 13 centimeter, I will take it as a 13 centimeter here also. Okay, you draw here. This is, you keep it here also. You draw the 13 centimeter. I draw a 13 centimeter. This one using arc. Then one more, that is a 9.6 also. 9.6 also. You can draw this way. Okay, I'll draw this one using a different color to identify the things. Okay, you can draw in this way also. Okay, you can find this way also. This is also some angle. If you consider theta 2 with respect to horizontal, it comes as a theta 3. You can say this is a theta 3. We can find here also, it comes as a one more position also, we can draw it. Okay, here also, that is how much this is a, once again 13 centimeter, we can make it this way also. Here also you can draw it 13 centimeter, you draw it here also. Okay, one is 9.6. We can join here also. I will take this one using a blue. We can complete this also. Look at this one. I have taken as a 4 times. This is one triangle, one. This is, if you consider this is a fixed theta 0. This is a theta to come. You can take this is also one. This is also 3 masses. This is also one. This and this. Okay. You can because that is a, it is not necessary to find the counter mass or balancing mass. Okay. Only you have to find the theta 2, theta 3. You have to measure it using a compass. Okay, you start from the horizontal and you measure the theta 3, otherwise whatever the 4 position will be there. Okay, can you find it? 4 position I have taken this way. Okay, we can find also, but in this case it is not necessary to find the balancing mass. Okay, only you have to find the theta 2 and theta 3. You have to measure it. You look at this one, you can measure the theta 3 also. Okay, can theta 3 how much, this is a theta 2, how much you can measure it. Look at this one, this is why, if you considering this one, this is 80, this comes as a 80 degree using a protractor. Then this is, we can measure this also horizontal. You look at this one, this becomes a 180, 180 plus, this is 180 plus, it comes as a 50, 180 plus 50 means it comes as, you have to add it, this is a 180 plus 50, it comes as a theta 3. Okay, here also you can measure in this way only, and you will get it as a this way. Look at this one, this is, if you consider this is a, this is a, okay, this is a becomes, you can take this a, this is, if you considering this is a one more, this is b also, this is b also, this also becomes a same for the common. If you consider this c, this is also c, this becomes a common. Okay, you can get the 4 configuration to determine the angle. Okay, I stop here only. Okay.